In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Webull Widget. If you're working on the Webull desktop app and want to tailor your workspace, adding widgets is the fastest way to bring the tools you use most right to your screen. First, open the Webull desktop application and sign in to your account. Logging in ensures the platform can load live data and your personalized settings so that everything you add will display correctly in your current workspace. Once you're in, take a look around your workspace for the widget toolbar or panel. Depending on your layout, this toolbar is usually docked along the edge of the window or near the top. You're looking for the widget menu, which collects all the building blocks you can add to your layout. Click All Widgets in the widget menu. This opens a catalog of everything available, neatly organized by category. You'll see trading and market tools grouped in a way that makes it easy to explore. Browsing the categories can help you discover features you might not have noticed before, from market overviews to account-related panels. Now, select the widget you want to add. Common choices include Chart for technical analysis, Watchlist for tracking symbols you care about, Orders to monitor your working and filled orders, and Options Chain to view contracts and strikes at a glance. Pick the one that fits your workflow. As soon as you choose it, the widget appears in your layout without needing any extra confirmation. After it appears, take a moment to make sure it's where you want it. The platform is designed to let you organize your workspace intuitively, so as you add more widgets, think about grouping related tools together. For example, keeping a chart next to your watch list can streamline how you move from idea to execution, while an orders panel positioned nearby helps you keep an eye on fills and status in real time. If you're using a customized layout, you have another convenient option. Look to the top right corner of your layout for the Add Widgets button. Clicking that lets you place new widgets exactly where you want them in your current view, which is especially helpful when you're fine-tuning a multi-panel setup. That's all it takes. Open Webull Desktop and log in. Find the widget menu, click All Widgets to browse by category, choose the tool you need, and it will appear in your layout. Or, in a customized layout, use Add Widgets in the top right for precise placement. With just a few clicks, your workspace becomes a powerful, personalized command center.